Sana. Hello, this is the difference. This is the one you send. It's a solenoid D. You see the colors red, and this is the one I need. The difference is this one, the lock and the socket together, the same upside down like this, but the difference is this one is the same, the hole, but the lock, the pin lock here is different. And also if you turn around the other side, see there's no hole. Yeah, so that's the difference of solenoid C and solenoid D. But the one you send here is this one. So same color, same hole, same pin, so different from solenoid C.